राइट। पर ये भी जनरेशन कंफ्यूज है, इनको करना है बट पैसा तो चाहिए सबको, राइट? इंस्टाग्राम वाली लाइफ चाहिए, राइट? दे प्रे टू द गॉड आई विश आई कैन हैव द लाइफ व्हिच आई शो टू द वर्ल्ड ऑन इंस्टाग्राम।
बट पहले इमीडिएट पैसे के पीछे मत भागो।
आइडिया कैसे आए बच्चों को?
We started working on it. So how it starts it, are you with people who can discuss this business ideas? If you are not getting a business idea, go and be with someone who has a business idea.
One advice you would like to give to your younger self? ये गलती मत करना मनीष। Let's come to our core. हमारा core is धंधा। आज आप हमें छोटी सी मास्टर क्लास दे रहे हैं जहाँ पे हमें धंधा करना सिखाइए। What are the few things passed on to you as a senior जो कभी दादाजी ने बोली हो या पापा ने बोला हो, which hit you like भाई ये तो मेरा core है?
So
one or two things.
Very interesting, Rahul. अच्छा, बहुत सही क्वेश्चन पूछा है. I'll tell you what happens. The whole fundamental things that runs in our family or in the blood of our family or the things that have hit my mind is do something that benefits the core society. Do something that gives a value addition to a common man. Do something that solves a problem that is there in the society. And इस part को अपना business बनाओ. So say for example, when I was offering blazers to education institutions long back, I was solving the problem of their appearance of the students in the community.
Yeah.
Appearance of these students compared to the international students. And when I was solving this problem, that automatically became my business.
Of course.
And you see, there were so many people who were happy because of this. When I got into education, I realized that ये जो भी बाकी लोग खाली डिग्री दे रहे हैं, स्किल मिसिंग था, वैल्यूज मिसिंग थे, I mean the whole mentoring process missing था. So when I got into education, I tried to solve these problems.
Understood. Money will flow? Money
Automatically, because when you're solving someone else's problem, he will happily give you a check saying that, yes sir, my problem is solved. That's your work. I mean,
a follow-up question.
And it will multiply, huh?
Yeah?
It will multiply.
Okay. So, is running for money is a good thing in the start of the careers? ये सब हमारे 20-21 year old है, confused है लाइफ में, धंधा करना है नहीं करना. They are that young Manish, 20-year-old, finished the graduation out of Dharwad, that जज्बा to come to Bangalore, यार कुछ करना है खुद का, etc. Of course, you had a little bit backing because of the family, right? पर ये भी generation confused है, इनको करना है but पैसा तो चाहिए सबको, right? Instagram वाली life चाहिए, right? They pray to the God, I wish I can have the life which I show to the world on Instagram. You know what I mean?
Good. Yeah.
That's what they pray to the God. तो including us, including me as well, कि भाई वो जो दिख रहा है ना वही होता है. तो क्या कितना पैसे के पीछे भागना है और कब भागना है और कहाँ तक भागना है?
पैसा तो चाहिए,
पक्का चाहिए ना?
पैसा तो चाहिए. एंड क्यों पैसा चाहिए? मतलब योर एस्पिरेशंस, एवरीथिंग इज फाइनली परचेज्ड बाय मनी. पहले इमीडिएट पैसे के पीछे मत भागो. अगर तुम पैसे के पीछे भागना चालू करोगे तो वैल्यूज, एथिक्स, सिस्टम सबको लात मारोगे. तो वो पैसा लंबा टाइम पे नहीं रहेगा. वो आएगा फिर सडनली तुम मिस हो जाओगे. टेक द अदर वे राउंड. एंड दिस इज मैग्नेट. मेक मनी. You become a money magnet puller. So what you have to start doing is, you have to, as I told you, you have to start solving problems of people. So we have a law school, and in the law school what we do, we ask a student to go to a community and जाओ वो problem solve करके आओ. So he went to a community and this boy did a rental agreement for one of the persons. Drafted a rental agreement. Looks so simple, right?
Yeah.
The moment he did the rental agreement, this man got his rental work done and he came and said, sir, this is the amount for, it was a small amount. But then this fellow referred almost 12 people to this boy to do the rental agreement.
Nice.
And now you imagine what worked. He went, he solved a problem, and then you see the multiplication that happened.
Got it. Sir, कुछ उम्र होती है धंधा करने की? Like 21, 25, 30?
Again a good question, and these are all so close to my heart that I can talk about it for any long, Rahul. राहुल, बिजनेस करने का कोई एज होना ही नहीं चाहिए. द बॉय दैट आई स्पोक अबाउट फॉर हैप्पी फोक्स क्लब completed his 12th standard and he was here for a project and now he is in BBA first year, and I told you the type of team that he has. 18 was his age. When I started the first business school, I was just out of my MBA with about 6 months of working in internship. So 22, 23 was my age. I remember someone who is just 14 years of age, and he has a patent on his name because the idea that he had was amazing. And I mean, he is doing $1 million turnover for himself. So business करने के लिए कोई एज होना भी नहीं चाहिए. तुमको अगर लगा that this is the idea that I have and this is how I can go ahead, if you need mentors, take 1 or 2 mentors, and if you think you are still going, start your business. Don't give an age to business. Don't give an age to become someone who wants to become an entrepreneur. Just start.
Got it. And let's go to step by step, since it's a masterclass on entrepreneurship and you've done it. खून में आपके entrepreneurship है, सरनेम आपका entrepreneurship वाला है, जैन. आइडिया कैसे आए बच्चों को? You were studying in business schools, IIM Ahmedabad, FPG in Bombay, आपके स्कूल में ISBR में बैठे हुए हैं, करना धंधा है, शार्क टैंक देख के इंस्पायर हुए हैं, आइडिया नहीं है कुछ ऐसा थॉट?
Now this is very interesting. Rahul, idea आता नहीं है ऐसा, and it's very difficult to get an idea of what business do I do. Now to all the students that are listening to us and who are seeing us, I would like to tell you that what has happened, post independence, the whole system of the country has been changed to become an employee बनो, काम ढूंढो, work करो, salary, month end में salary check चाहिए, salary check, वो इतना 40-50 years माइंड में बैठ गया है that every one of us now is like मेरे को क्लीन सैलरी चाहिए, पे चेक चाहिए, नहीं तो नहीं होगा. सो इसको चेंज होने के लिए टाइम लगेगा, और ये नया NEP इज वर्किंग ऑन दैट. सो अभी नाउ कमिंग टू योर क्वेश्चन ऑफ आइडिया आए कैसे. सो नाउ व्हाट हैज टू बी डन, ये बहुत सिंपल है. आई एंड यू आर सिटिंग एंड वी हैव 4 of our friends sitting. स्टार्ट डिस्कसिंग, हम बिजनेस किया करें. सो व्हेन आई वाज इन माय BBA, आई माय 3 other friends, अमोल, हसमुख, भावेश, हम चारों बैठे. गुरुदत्त भवन इज वन ऑफ अ ब्यूटीफुल प्लेस इन हुबली, जहाँ पे चाय, मिर्ची बज्जी एंड गिरमिट मिलता है, एंड मसाला खारा मिलता है. सो वाइल हैविंग दैट हमने सोचा चलो बिजनेस करते हैं. सो वन ऑफ माई फ्रेंड सेड चलो हम ये फाइबर ऑप्टिक वायर्स आ रहे हैं आजकल, देयर वाज नो इंटरनेट एट ऑल, पर ये करने से द बिजनेस यू गेट. आई सेड दैट आई थिंक बाइंग अ लैंड and converting it to plots and selling is a beautiful idea. One of them said ये अपने को समझ नहीं आ रहा है, whatever you do I'll join you. एक ने बोला करके when rains, the umbrella that you get I think should be manufactured and we should produce it. Now you see 3 business ideas यहीं पे आ गए, and we started working on it. So how it starts it, are you with people who can discuss this business ideas? If you are not getting a business idea, go and be with someone who has a business idea, and over a period of time, I'm telling you that time may be 1 month, 6 months or 1 year, you will get into the zone that you have an idea with you.
You are not branded, ठीक है? When I'm saying branded, you as in कोई ऐसे हार्वर्ड नहीं गए, ऑक्सफोर्ड नहीं गए, like नरसिम्हा sir who's joined us, IIT रुड़की M.Tech है, IIT मद्रास से PhD करके बैठे हैं. ये डिग्रियां कभी थी नहीं, तो ये ब्रांडेड होने का कुछ जज्बा था. बट बड़े बड़े बी स्कूल जाएंगे, ये सब करेंगे, बड़े बड़े इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेजेस के, यू थिंक व्हेन यू नीड बिजनेस डिग्रीज की जरूरत नहीं है, ब्रांडेड डिग्रीज?
एजुकेशन चाहिए राहुल, नॉलेज चाहिए राहुल, स्किल्स भी चाहिए. And it is not necessary whether you take it from a grade A institution or a grade B institution, or without taking any names of the institution. But what is more important is, did you get that mentor in life who became that supporting factor for you and tell that तुझ में कुछ दम है और तू ये कर सकता है, and then removes those small glitches in your route and makes you that empowered you.
Nice.
And if that one mentor, चाहे वो अर्जुन को कृष्णा हो, या मेरे लिए मे बी डॉक्टर चंद्रा हो, या whoever came in life, is able to blend with you and pull you to the next level, I mean, it is beyond every other degree that you are looking at, or beyond any other brand that you are looking at.
Fair.
And हमारे इंस्टीट्यूशन में राहुल डे 1 से ऐसा कल्चर बनाया है कि हर एक स्टूडेंट को एक मेंटर मिले, so that that student, you know, from wherever he is, moves to that next line so easily and
Because
swiftly
he's got a mentor.
because he got a mentor.
Fair, fair. Moving in forward, this I asked this question to everyone towards the end of the podcast. One advice you would like to give to your younger self. ये गलती मत करना मनीष.
Don't wait for things to happen, Rahul. You have to create it and then make it happen. थोड़े टाइम पहले you told me that 5 years I waited to take my next decision. I mean, if your gut is telling you ये करो, जाके करो, चाहे उसमें रिस्क हो, डिफिकल्टी हो, and then follow it with passion. You will see institutions happen, you will see brands build up, you will see people following your footsteps, and that's what it is. Go ahead and do it. The time is now, the time is not tomorrow, and if that happens, I mean, that's success, Rahul.
That's so amazing. Boys and girls, hope you guys enjoyed this podcast. If yes, do it on the like button for sure. मुझे comment करके बताइए कि भाई तुम्हें कौन सा part of the podcast सबसे बढ़िया लगा. And if you'd like to be invited to some other guests as well, feel free to drop in a comment. Manish sir, you have been an inspiring journey. I must say, thank you so much for spending time with us.
Hey, before Rahul gets offline, you know, Rahul is known for creating great number of entrepreneurs, and he is a Fevicol Jod, you know. He sticks on to the like-minded people so well that I appreciate the work that you are doing. I think spread love, Rahul. You are known for spreading love. Let these amazing kids be as light as they are. Let them not be pressurized with the weights of the books, the knowledge and everything. I mean, if you are with free mind, you'll do great works. And
Awesome. With this love, hit on the like button. See you guys. Thank you so much. Take care.
bye.